Hey there, friends. Today I found a little wonder. It's been growing in secret, tucked away beneath the leaves and the soil, just waiting for the right moment to show up. And like this Morel quietly waiting for its moment, I've been holding on to this bag. It's time to see what wonder lies inside. Mushrooms are a quiet kind of magic, you know? They don't demand attention, they don't rush. They grow beneath the surface, stretching out, building networks, connecting with everything around them, long before anyone ever sees them. Kind of reminds me of us in a way. So much of who we are happens quietly. No one's watching. We grow through hard things. We send out little pieces of ourselves through memories, through kindness, through the people we touch. We don't always know how far those pieces will go, but it matters, even if it takes a while to show. No? Not the flashiest card, but that's okay. I needed this one. And before I leave, I like to give the cap a few soft flicks. That helps release the spores. It's a little way of saying, go on now. Make your beauty somewhere else. I'm glad you joined me today. Stay joyful, stay curious, and as always, may your packs be full of wonder.